These are the ADORE-768, black, lace and satin with a 7-inch heel, and we'll be showing you these shoes today. Hi, Natalie here at Shoes of Hollywood for another unboxing today. This one is a beautiful pair of 7-inch black satin lace ADORE-768. This here is the code, so if you want to buy these, we will put the code in the description if they are available. You can just hit the link and it'll take you straight to where you can purchase them from Pleaser. So this is exciting. Sometimes you might have to wait for your shoes to come in. They do only make small batches, so often it is first and best dress. If you like a shoe, get on it straight away because they are beautiful. You don't want to miss out. Okay, pull this out. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that's a beautiful shoe. Wow. So it's gorgeous. So it's a 7-inch. It's got a lovely platform as well to make you look a bit taller. It's also got a beautiful suede bottom of it. That'll help you to stay in the shoe. It'll be really comfortable, and it's an open toe, so you're not going to get warm feet. It's going to be really nice to wear. I'm excited to put this one on. We'll pull out the other one as well. As usual, they're wrapped gorgeously. They've got all their little protective layers to keep the shape of that shoe in its box. Oh wow, it's gorgeous. I love the gold pleaser. That's probably my favourite part about these shoes, is the gold pleaser on the sole. It's so pretty. With most of Pleaser shoes as well comes a little travel bag. So it'll be in your box. It's a little travel bag. Inside of it is a nice little piece of foam. So that way you can put the shoes inside. I'll show you. The shoes inside the bag. Put the foam between it. And then the next one zips up just like that. You can hang it in your closet, so you can have a whole closet instead of clothes. They can all be shoes. How about a dream, right? You can put them under your bed. Either way, it's going to keep the dust off them. The foam's going to protect them from themselves, so you're not going to get any damage on the beautiful shiny parts of the shoe. The fabric isn't going to get torn. It's going to be so safe. So if you only wear your shoes occasionally, or if you wear them every day, this bag is your best friend. It's going to be the best. Okay. So we're going to undo the buckle. We'll put the shoes on. It's a cute little buckle. Oh, pretty. Such a delicate looking shoe. And we'll just do up the buckle. Nice and secure. There's that one. Oh wow, that's so pretty. Let's do the left. There we go. Now as you can see, it's got this gorgeous lace pattern across the top. There is like a satin underlay as well underneath the lace. And it also goes around the heel, so I'll turn my foot for you in a moment so you can see it. It's really pretty. It'll look gorgeous with a dress. I think it would look pretty with your jeans, but a dress would be so nice, especially a formal dress that's also lace. It would be so pretty. So the back of it, all up the heel, is also a lace. I love the ankle strap too. It's so delicate. I love ankle strap shoes. They're my favourite because they just feel very safe. Let's take them for a walk. That velvet sole, you just meld in, it's gorgeous. The little the gap for your toes is so cute. It means you can have whatever colour toenail you polish like on. It'll look so pretty. All the different styles you can do just because it's so simple and it's a black shoe. It's one of the most versatile things you can buy. Should definitely be in your wardrobe for sure. Wow, they've got gorgeous stitching around all the edges, so everything is really, really, really well made. It is very pretty. Even across the ankle strap you can see that it is like a double layered piece of material. It's not going to tear, it's not going to have any damages happen to it. It's going to last a long time, be very resilient. It's gorgeous. Don't forget to please subscribe to the channel, that way you can see all of our latest videos that come up. Hit the notification bell as well and you'll never miss one. And please tell us in the comments what you would like to see, and if there's any type of shoes you like, any styles, we'll try to do them for you as well. It's nice and sunny outside. It's a little bit glary. We are in the middle of spring and that's basically summer here in Queensland. These are very comfortable shoes. I don't know what it is that Pleaser does, but every shoe you put on is the most comfortable thing in the world. I love the shine on the heel and the platform as well. It breaks it up. So you've got all the different styles. You've got the lace, you've got the shiny, you've got the satin. It's really pretty. This is our shop as well. So if you're ever in the area, you should definitely come into the store. You can try on all of the shoes. It's a lot more fun to try them on in person. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like these shoes. Let us know if you think you're going to buy a pair. They're very, very pretty. Tell us your thoughts, hit the subscribe, and we'll see you next time in the next video.